What's up? Early morning, and you can see that I'm excited, so I'm going fishing. It's been a while, no content, no going out fishing. It's been a good 3 weeks or so since I've really been out proper fishing. I've hit Homestead once or twice for a bank bash, but no luck. So yeah, it's been a bit tougher. It's been a bit dry spell. Anywho, I'm off to go pick up Zaid now, and then we're off to Boskop. So hopefully catch a couple of good fishies and give you guys a good video. I'll see you in the water. Secret juice. What aftershave did you put on this morning? Nice.
That looks like a knife. What's a coffee behind this? What's a coffee behind this? No, I was just gonna tell you at Boskop when everything fails, black sank over.
Yeah, dark, nice dark color as well. Well done. Look at that. Nice little.
Grab it.
Nice.
I'm gonna take a photo.
Yeah.
The drag is the step of the line here.
Nice one.
You are hammering them. What's going on here, Zaid? Are we that bad at fishermen?
No, this is just flukies, man. Thank you.
That's a nice size.
Look,
What bigger?
look how they're not that fat yet, eh?
Mm. Small burger.
More bucket.
I'm on. Yeah.
I think your dad's just showing off now.
Yeah.
On the top, eh? Proper hook set.
Mm.
Smallest of the day.
Yeah.
Where? Yeah. Jeez, look it.
Big one.
My word, there's something. What? We need to know the secret.
Camera's on.
No. Oh, it is. It's been on the whole time.
Looks like a
Okay, take your time.
plane.
Reel, Dad.
Molly. Okay.
This is boxing, huh?
Like a
Big box.
smaller than those.
Yeah, smaller than that.
No, but it's still a fish. Mm.
And still on the sinker.
Sail on the
Same
same one also.
I think your dad's a lot more patient than us, bro. We've like casted and brought in like 3 times, and he's still on that cast.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. Happy to have some best time. Remember last time we were...
Oh, he's barely hooked.
You need a net?
Need a net. See.
You need a net? Nice.
I'm gonna pick him up. Not big, but hey,
Nice size.
crank finally.
Nice size.
Sheesh.
Man.
Still under a kilo. But you know what? I haven't got anything else on keep net, so I might as well just stop putting, eh?
You might as well put it because it's gonna...
Yeah, I know, dude. I thought we'd be catching a lot bigger fish.
There we go. Nice one, Nuns. Need a net?
I can get the camera. Just hit me a bit right here. close by.
Yeah, check there, ready?
A little bit fatter, but not that long.
Let me do your.
No, I've lost a couple of grams. 0.83. Okay.
I'm using a tape.
Yes, that was nice slam, bro. Wow. Seems like, if I'm not mistaken, the road's on the right side of this tree. So it should be running, yeah. That's what I
The
think.
road is behind us, basically.
So like running right in front of you. Are you on?
Yeah.
There we go. So there's fish here.
You also had one, no?
Yeah.
This is on that straight spot, you know.
On the net.
Yeah, it's good for now. Run into the grass.
Off.
Came off.
Came off.
Yeah.
No, man.
You also pull a bit of grass there.
Yeah.
Did he go straight into the
Went
grass?
straight into the
So
grass.
then there's fish. I mean, that's why I got that bite. He got his now. So we're in the right area at least. Yeah, as you can see, it's a couple of days later, and after I started editing the video, I realized that I forgot to make an outro. Anyhow, as you guys saw in the video, it was not an easy day for myself and Zaid. I think Zaid caught like 2 fish out off camera. I caught 3 fish only for the day, and Zaid's dad caught 8, I think it was. But I think the biggest he caught was like a 1-1 or a 1-2, and my biggest was also about a 1-1, 1-2. And then the rest were 800s and some smaller ones. So it wasn't great. For Boskop, it's definitely not what I'm used to. So it was a tough day, but it was a nice day out on the water. It was nice getting to know Zaid's dad. Awesome toppy. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Hopefully we'll do another trip with him again and maybe do a little challenge with him or something. Have a bit of fun. Anyhow, hopefully you enjoyed that short video of the toppy catching a lot of fish. But it is what it is. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like the video. It helps a lot with the algorithm. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I will catch you guys on the next video coming soon. Peace.